Hey guys, it's Rita. I have a Christmas DIY for you today, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get right to it. Okay, I'll be using this sign. It's a Halloween sign that I'd started to do a fall sign on, and it wasn't working out, so I put it to the side for a while. But what I'll be doing is a red and black buffalo check on this. So to begin, I'm going to put the base coat of red down, and I did end up having to do about 3 coats on this just because I'd already painted on it. So I'll just let you watch. Now that I have the red down like I want it, you can still see a little bit through there, but once I get the other colors on, you won't be able to tell. I'm going to use some black and red and mix together, and then I'll do black and red again, but without as much black in it. So I'm just going to let you watch. I'll be taping it off and painting. And you do want to let this dry between coats before you tape the other way. Okay, so now I'll be taping the other way and doing another coat of the red and black, but I will be using more red in this coat. Now we've let that dry, and I'll be going in with the black this time. You'll just use the tape that you pulled off the long ways, or you may need to use new tape. I did have to use some new because it wasn't sticking as well, but you'll just tape over the lighter squares that you see, and then you'll add the black. Now I didn't wait for the last coat of black to dry. I just removed all the tape, and we're about ready for the big reveal. Now I'm going to be using the stencil that says "Let It Snow." I will put this on here 3 times. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Nope, I can't sing. But anyway, once I get that on there, I'll be making a bow for the top, and then I'll add a little greenery to the bottom and show you the final product. So let me know in the comments, are you guys getting ready for Christmas already, or just getting ideas? I'd love to know. Show pictures if you have some. Okay guys, here it is. It is sitting up here with my Halloween items, but that's okay. So I'll just let you take a look at it. There's the bow I created, and I used a little black and white twine just to wrap around the center of it. I believe I got that ribbon at Hobby Lobby. And then at the bottom, I just put a little bit of greenery and berries. You could of course leave that off or decorate it any way you want to. I think this turned out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY today. If you did, leave a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.